Directions for questions 1 to 7. The passage talks about a medicine called aspirin. If ever there was a wonder drug, aspirin might be it. It was originally made from the leaves of the willow tree. And nowadays, a lot of people use aspirin, and for various conditions such as arthritis, fever, preventing strokes, heart attacks, and even some types of cancer. And every year, around 120 billion tablets are sold. Now, everyone does not benefit equally from the drug called aspirin. For some people, it can be downright dangerous. A lot of research has been done on the drug's cancer inhibiting ability. So, what the scientists have found out is that it inhibits the production of a certain hormone like substance called prostaglandins. Prostaglandins triggers pain, inflammation, and fever or blood clotting. Aspirin blocks these prostaglandins. Now, no one wants to block these natural responses all the time. But sometimes that is prostaglandins, linger for too long, causing more harm than good. And long lasting or chronic inflammation can cause damage to otherwise normal tissue. And later it may become a tiny tumor hidden deep within the body. By reducing prostaglandins, aspirin probably stops a significant number of tumors from forming in the first place. In the year 2000, scientists discovered a second major mechanism of action for aspirin in the body. The drug boosts the production of molecules called resolvins, and that is, it increases the production of resolvins, and that also helps to reduce inflammation. And recently, investigators have been studying the ability of aspirin to interfere with the spreading of cancer cells. Let us start with the questions now. Name a disease which is usually not treated with aspirin. Aspirin is used for heart attack, it is used for stroke, common cold is not mentioned, hence C is the right answer. Identify a symptom that prostaglandins usually does not produce. Prostaglandin produces pain, inflammation, and fever, but nothing is mentioned about chills, hence A is the right answer. Resolvins can help to reduce what? Resolvins can help to reduce inflammation, hence C is the right answer. Identify any one benefit of prostaglandins. It helps in wound healing. So option A is the right answer. Choose the phrase or word that is closest in meaning to metastasize. The word metastasize is used in the last sentence, and it is clearly mentioned that metastasize means spread. Hence option C is the right answer. Which of the following is not mentioned in the passage? Look at option A. Aspirin is commonly used to reduce inflammation. That is mentioned. So A is mentioned, so that has to be eliminated. Aspirin is commonly used to prevent strokes. Yes, that is also mentioned, so it can be eliminated. Aspirin is helpful for all people. That is not mentioned. In fact, the opposite of that is mentioned. It is mentioned that for some people, aspirin can be downright dangerous. So C is what is not mentioned. Aspirin was originally derived from what? Second sentence talks about how aspirin was originally derived from. It was originally derived from the leaves of the willow tree. Hence, C is the right answer.